You're not sounding very convincing, Rajiv ji. All the Congress leaders who've been speaking, their voice seems to be thinking, they don't seem to exude that confidence if that were correct.
No. I'm fully confident. If you want me to shout, I can shout also, but I don't want to shout on your channel. I can tell you what we have, assessed. We are going to get, around to the magic figure. We'll be close to the magic figure. This is what we believe.
The magic figure is 200. Are you still on the 3rd of March holding out this promise that Rahul Gandhi will be able to take your party to 200? Because if that doesn't happen, and if you end up at about 40, people will think this is a massive defeat for Rahul, sir.
No, don't interpret or don't try to put your words into my mouth. What I am saying, we are trying to approach the magic figure because the polling is still going on. By 5 o'clock the polling will get over. So polling is still going on, and we are approaching we are heading towards absolute majority, and we are very confident about it.
Okay, I want to get in a word also from Sudhindra Kulkarni of the BJP. The BJP, according to our projections, are not making much headway, from 51 going up to about 50 to 56 seats. Now that would be disappointing given the fact that there was a sense of anti-incumbency. Why is it that the BJP couldn't capitalize on that sense of anti-incumbency? Why is it that the SP managed to get all the votes of people who were unhappy with the performance of the BSP government, and they ignored the BJP, sir?
You are talking as if your projections are the final figures. And much of the celebration in the Samajwadi Party camp is premature, and in fact much of the discussion as far as the figures are concerned is also premature. Let's wait till the final results are out on the 6th. Only one thing can be said for certain, and we don't need a psephologist for doing that there is going to be change in Uttar Pradesh. The BSP is going to be voted out. Whatever the people's verdict, we will accept, we will respect the people's verdict in all humility. We have made an honest effort to seek the mandate of the people on the agenda of good governance and development, which is what the people of Uttar Pradesh want after 5 years of most corrupt rule, preceded by 5 years of what is now widely called Gundaraj. So we have made an honest effort to represent people's aspirations.
But Mr. Kulkarni,
we feel
you almost seem to be conceding defeat, even though you say you disbelieve these figures. You're saying
not at all. That's why I said
the BSP is losing, but you're not sure that you're winning. So in some senses, the BJP seems to have reconciled to being a French player in Uttar Pradesh.
You are gifting victory to a particular party as if your projections are the final.
Oh, they're not.
Which is what I'm questioning. Only thing I'm saying is that the BSP is going to be voted out, and our performance will be very impressive, belying the kind of figures that you have shown.
Can you
but I'm not getting into any numbers game.